Next problem is given in this way. Suppose that there are three resistors of resistances 20 ohm, 40 ohm and 60 ohm, which are connected in the form of a triangle. And now you have to get the calculation of equivalent resistance. Now a question rises here, between whom you are going to calculate the equivalent resistance. Therefore, in the question it will be written that in the given figure, suppose that find the equivalent resistance between A and B. This is the different question. B and C, this is the different question. A and C, this will be different. Now I am going to solve the first problem between A and B. Suppose that this is the figure and you have to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B. Then first of all, proceed these two wires. If you are going to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and B, then you will do so. That A and B, both ends will be elongated. And now, if you look carefully, then you will find that 60 ohm, between 60 ohm and 40 ohm, there is no any extra connection. Suppose that I am going to tell you again, this is the wire and this is the wire. Both of these wires R1 and R2 are connected in series. But if you put here a third wire and which also comes in the circuit, then these series cancel, then series combination will be cancelled. Series combination remains only when till no any extra wire is connected between them so that current could pass through them. Therefore, you are looking here that this 60 ohm and 40 ohm, these two ohms are connected in parallel in series, and now first of all you will do so that this figure will be now your 60 and 40. That means R will be 100 ohm and it is 20 ohm. Now this is A and this is B. Now look it carefully that both of these connections are in parallel. Therefore equivalent resistance will be 1 by R equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by 100. That is to say 100, 5 plus 1, 6 by 100, 3 by 50, 3 by 50, and therefore R equal to 50 by 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance. This is the answer of the first question, that you have to find out the equivalent resistance between A and B. Now I am going to calculate the equivalent resistance between B and C. Now you have to find out the equivalent resistance between B and C. Find out where is B and where is C. This is the B and it is C. Now elongate a wire. Now this is your figure, and according to this figure, as you if look carefully, then you will find that this 20 ohm and 60 ohm both are connected in series because there is no any extra wire between them. Therefore 60 plus 20, that will be equal to 80 ohm. And now it is B and it is C. This is 40 ohm and it is 80 ohm. And now as you are looking that both of these resistors are connected in parallel, therefore 1 by R will be equal to 1 by 80 plus 1 by 40, that is 80, 1 plus 2, 3 by 80, this is the value of 1 by R, and therefore R will be equal to 80 by 3 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance between B and C. Now you have to calculate the equivalent resistance between A and C. Find out where is A and where is C. This is point A and this is point C, elongated wire here. And now if you look carefully, then you will find that these 20 and 40 ohm are connected in series. Now therefore your figure will be likewise this. This is 20 plus 40, 60 ohm, and this is also 60 ohm. It is A and it is C. Now if you calculate 1 by R, then 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60, 2 by 60, 1 by 30, and that is R will be equal to 30 ohm. This is the equivalent resistance. That is to say, I want to say only this thing, that if you are going to calculate the equivalent resistance, then first of all the problem should be clear before you, that between what points you are just going to take the calculation of equivalent resistance. And if you know it, then first of all change your figure, and thereafter finding out this calculation, you might be able to calculate the real answer of the equivalent resistance between those 2 points about which that is telling you. Now I am going to give you another example. Suppose that there are 5 resistors and which are in the form of a rectangle, and this is likewise a diagonal 10, 20, 30, 10 and 20. All these resistances are given here, and now you have to find the equivalent resistance between B and D. Suppose that between it is B and D, then what will you do? You elongate your wire between B and D. Now if you look here carefully, then you will find that these 10 and 20, both of these are connected in series. Therefore your figure will be likewise this 10 plus 20, that is 30. This is 30 ohm, this is 30 ohm, and this is also 20 plus 30. This will also be equal to 30 ohm. 30 ohm. This is point B and this is point D. B and D are here. If you look carefully, then you will find that these 3 resistors are connected in parallel. They are 30 plus 1 by 10, and therefore equivalent resistance R will be 10 ohm. This is the answer. If the question changes,